Tape script 2.6.1.
A. Tire. B. Flat tire. C. Inner tube. D. Puncture. E. Patch. F. Repair. G. Replace.
Tape script 2.6.2.
Oh no! I have a flat tire. I can't ride to bowling practice on a flat tire. I need to get a patch. Hello, Mr. Map. Can you repair my bicycle tire, please?
Hello, Pisat. Okay, let me see. Oh no, I can't repair your inner tube. It has too many punctures. It needs to be replaced.
How much is a new inner tube?
A new one costs 12,000 reals.
I'm sorry, Mr. Map. I am going to bowling practice and I don't have any money with me. Can you replace it now and I will bring you the money after practice?
You won't have to come back, Pisat. I am eating dinner with your family tonight. You can give me the money then.
Thank you, Mr. Map. I will have the money ready when you come to my home tonight.
Tape script 2.6.3.
1. I'm sorry, I forgot your dictionary at home. I won't forget to bring it tomorrow. 2. Sorry, I made a mess in the kitchen. I'll clean it up. 3. I lost the Priyaswat CD you lent me. I'm sorry. I'll buy you a new one. 4. I apologize for crashing your motorbike. I'll pay for the damage. 5. I'm sorry I forgot to call you this morning. I'll call you first thing tomorrow morning. 6. I'm sorry I can't fix it today. I'll have it ready for you tomorrow morning.
Tape script 2.6.4.
Abilities. Can you ride a bicycle? Now you can learn to fix, repair, and maintain your own bicycle. You can start making money repairing your friends' bicycles too. In future courses, you can learn to adjust your handlebars and install bike grips. Continue with the course, you can learn to keep your bicycle spokes, rims, and brake cables in good shape. Promises. With our first course, we will teach you basic bicycle repair. You will learn how to patch and change your inner tubes and tires, fix a chain that has fallen off, and adjust your saddle height. The best part is it will only take 30 minutes to learn these skills. After your first video, we will email you every 2 weeks with a new video in our awesome do-it-yourself series. You will be saving money on expensive repairs in no time.